For those of you that think that gospel music has gone too far, you think we've gotten too radical with our message. Well, I got news for you. You ain't heard nothing yet.
You're the one you are. Love every beat, love every beat.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. First things first, okay? If you are new here,
First off, welcome.
thank you so much for clicking on this video. I appreciate you for doing that, for stopping by. All my old time subscribers, my homies, my girlfriends, y'all, thank y'all so much for clicking on this video, for being so supportive. I can't thank y'all enough. So y'all know when I did the whole playlist thing, shenanigans not too long ago.
About this letter, about this rhythm, about this flow, about this
I said I would do a gospel part 2 if you guys wanted to see that. Y'all know I'm such a gospel head. I'm churchy, I'm a Christian, all that good stuff. So I said, if you want me to do a gospel, we can take it to church. I just want to make sure that y'all want to see that. And many of you guys, surprisingly, y'all always surprise me, by the way, many of you guys have wanted to see a gospel version. So I need to do something with my hair. Okay. I just washed it. I need to put this into some type of style. So more than likely, if you know me, you know it's gonna be a wash and go. That's just, if you new here, this is just what I do on this channel. Okay. So I figured I would just intertwine, okay, a playlist while I'm getting ready. Now I still love my eco. Y'all know. Y'all know I still love my eco. But I have to be honest with y'all, I have not been using it. I know y'all probably like, listen, okay?
To the sound from deep within.
Oh, the wet line extreme, it just been coming through for me. The only problem is they have a lot of things in here I can't pronounce. Which, if you know, you are one of those people who wants to stay more natural, this is not the gel for you. And I get it. You should be very you know, cognizant of what you choose to put on your body and in your hair, on your hair, all that. So the Lord's working on me with that, because I'm not there yet, because this is just giving me so much of a hold. So y'all go ahead and pray for me, because until I find something that just acts like this, besides my eco style of, I'm gonna just keep praying that God just, you know, keeps me safe from all hurt, harm, and danger. Ooh.
That bless me.
So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my oh no.
For those of you that think that gospel music has gone too far,
Change me, oh God. Change me, oh God.
For all of y'all who saw my Camille Rose Naturals Best Leave-In Conditioner, I don't care. It just works for me. Hands down, now my staple leave-in, so I'll be using this. Works excellent with the wet line. So we're gonna go ahead and try to finish this bottle up. You know, usually I would leave product in here like about this much and go on to the new one. I'm just weird like that. Y'all know, but just in case you don't and you're new here, I do always make sure to get my roots, because I'm just team, I don't want no problems. And I really feel like if you just go ahead and do your part, do your steps, you don't have to worry about no problems. You know what I mean? You ain't gotta worry about, you know, stiff roots and stuff. You don't have to worry about that. So just go ahead. If you are trying to master your wash and go, you understand that I am still on this section. I cannot stress enough when doing a wash and go, no matter how fly your hair is, because I don't believe in the whole good hair stuff. That's for a whole other video. No matter how fly your hair is, I still believe that sections and working in sections and taking your time will always be your friend and will always give you amazing results. You guys know that I am team Dim brush. It really helps. Okay, so if you are trying to perfect this wash and go, you want to help your curls out a little bit, especially if they're like a little bit trifling, like mine might be trifling, okay? They be trying to, you know, show out in the video, but they be trifling, I ain't even gonna lie.
I wanna hear you say, well done. One time, 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 one time. Ooh, yeah.
So sorry.
You make it all.
That was a little different. That was a little different. Different. You getting out of hand now.
Chicken, beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, beans, greens, potatoes, tomatoes, beans, greens, potatoes, greens, potatoes, beans, greens, potatoes.